Guys, today my teeth is almost gonna fall off. It's right there. There's blood. There's blood, but that's okay. Can you see it? Look.
You see it? Push it harder. Push it to the top.
This is as hard I can do.
Push it to the top of your.
Almost there, guys. I said it's gonna go part 2, but actually it's part 3.
One full twist and it's done.
Huh?
Scared?
Like if you have a broken tooth. And comment down below broken tooth. I'm playing with it.
Can you touch it?
How? You have to watch the end of the video to see the surprise thing in how do I make my tooth fall out. Ow. There's blood again. May dugo ulit. May dugo ulit.
Pero ang
May dugo ulit.
makuha nila ang at least dalawang
Daddy!
doon. So either Gilbert or Sans game ang kailangan nila makuha. Dahil meron pa silang isa sa Utah
Hindi
dyan.
pa na mabuti kasi tapos
Ang
ano,
Golden State naman
Hindi nga.
magkakaroon ng advantage. Depende sa kakalabasan ng
Tanggal na yan eh.
Clippers at Lakers. Dahil nga tablakan nila.
tanggal na ito eh.
So pag natalo ang Clippers, doon sila makikipag-agawa ng pwesto. Ang Lakers at
Why should I hurt you?
parehas ng KD. Ang Clippers magkakaroon ng minor disadvantage dahil
No, you're gonna fall.
dito sa kanila. April 9 at April 10. Kapag kasi nangyari yun, magiging 50-50 ngayon ang chances ng Golden State at ng Lakers para sa top.
Oh. Look at that. Look at that now. Just a little bit more, it will fall off.
Yaban ko yan.
Nothing. Naliligo ko. Mama, tanggal na!
Yay! Wow!
Ew, there's blood.
Did you video it?
Uh-huh. Look, that's her teeth.
Bumubog ka doon.
Hello.